Balsur, located around 32 kilometers from Dantewada in Chhattisgarh, is a historic city of temples and ponds situated on the Indravati river bank. Local legends associate the city with the demon Banasura, the son of Bali. Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Divine Traveler, the tale behind the stone walls. This is episode number 7 of my long travel trip series, and in this episode I cover the ancient historic temples of Balsur in Chhattisgarh.
Good morning everyone. So we start the 10th day. Today is Diwali and we will be staying here in the same resort at Jagdalpur. We had a beautiful day yesterday when we visited the temples and Chitrakote Falls, and I have already shared the videos with you. But today started with a very bad news. One of the relatives of my wife passed away today morning on a Diwali day, on the eve of Diwali. This is really a bad start, but then what has to happen will happen, so we have no control over it. Anyways, so today we will be moving to Balsur, which is around 96 kilometers from here. We will be visiting 3 or 4 temples there, and then we will be coming back. We are planning to coming back by evening around 5. In the evening we will stay in the resort and burst few crackers.
Balsur, earlier known as Barasuru, was the capital of Chindaka Naga dynasty that ruled during the 10th to 13th century CE. The dynasty belonged to the Kashyapa Gotra and had a crest of a tiger with a cub. Their kings were titled the Lord of Bhogavati. Bhogavati is one of the 7 mythological subterranean cities of the Nagas. The Chindaka Nagas supposedly belonged to the same stock as Sindhas of Karnataka. The latter claimed their name to be derived from the river Sindhu. Chindaka appears as another derivation of the Sindhu river. The earliest Chindaka Naga inscription is the fragmentary Erakot inscription dated Saka 945, corresponding to 1023 CE, and mentions King Nripati Bhushana. During his Ganga expedition, the Chola king Rajendra Chola seized Sakarakuttam aka Chakrakuta aka Chakrakuta or modern Bastar sometime between 1019 and 20. There are 2 possibilities here. Either the Chindaka Nagas were ruling over Balsur when Aditya Chola marched into the region, or they came to Bastar after Rajendra Chola's Ganga expedition. The Chindaka Nagas owed allegiance to different dynasties at different times during their reign. The names of the Chindaka Naga kings such as Dharavarsha and Kanhara suggest that they owed allegiance to the Rashtrakutas, while names such as Someshwara suggest that they also owed allegiance to the Western Chalukya king Someshwara I Ahavan Malla. Their Telugu inscriptions and legends over coins at least to their southern origins. It is suggested that Aditya Chola installed Naga king Dharavarsha as his regent over Balsur. The Nandir inscription mentions the general Nagavarma of the Western Chalukya king Someshwara I defeated Kalakuta Dharavarsha sometime after 1047 CE. Someshwara I ruled for a good 30 years, and he was the most accomplished and successful ruler of the family. Goddess Manikya Devi aka Danteshwari aka Vindhyavasini was the tutelary deity of the Chindaka Nagas. When the Chindaka Nagas were consolidating their power in Bastar, the Telugu Cholas followed the Western Chalukya king Vikramaditya VI during his eastern campaign and settled in Bastar. The first temple we visit at Balsur is the Battisa temple.
ये हम पहुंच गए हैं बालसूर में. अभी जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं हम हैं बत्तीसा मंदिर के पास. अभी यहाँ पे 4-5 मंदिर हैं जो हम एक एक करके घूमेंगे. बालसूर में जो इन मंदिरों का निर्माण हुआ है, ये यहाँ के छिंदक नागा साम्राज्य के राजाओं ने किया है. इनके बारे में कहना है कि दिस डायनेस्टी हैज़ अलायंस विद various kingdoms at various times, various other dynasties at various other times. Few inscriptions from Rashtrakuta kings suggest that Naga dynasty, Chindak Naga dynasty had alliance with the Rashtrakutas, while few inscriptions from the kings of Western Chalukyas suggest that Chindak Naga kings had alliance with the Western Chalukyans too. There is also a story that after Rajendra Chola of Chola dynasty, Rajendra Chola I, उन्होंने जब गंगा के पानी के लिए ईस्टर्न इंडिया में मार्च किया था, तो उस वक्त उसके बाद आदित्य चोला ने यहाँ पे आदित्य चोला इंस्टॉल्ड वन ऑफ द Aditya Chola had an alliance with, I am not sure on this, but Aditya Chola had an alliance with the same dynasty, Chindak Naga, and he installed one of the kings here. So they are also responsible. They are also responsible for a few of the developments of temples here. Now we will enter this temple, and after that we will move to the next.
Leftwards on the entrance to Barsur, Battisa temple can be seen in ruins. The temple is situated around 24 kilometers from Gidam and 75 kilometers from Jagdalpur on the Jagdalpur-Bhopal-Patnam road. According to the inscriptions, this temple was constructed back in 1030 CE by the queen of Nagavangshiya ruler Someshwar Dev. Due to the usage of 32 stone pillars in this temple and connecting two temples, two Garbhagrihas with beautifully carved Nandi sitting outside each, it became well known as Battisa Mandir Gudi. It has a huge mandapa built of stone blocks. The architecture of this 11th century temple is awe-inspiring. At present, it has been declared as preserved by the state government. The sanctum has a 2-story square high-rise black stone cistern which houses a Shivlinga topped with a rosary. With this, I come to the end of part 1. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join back in part 2 for the continuation of the episode. Till then, do take care of yourself and bye for now.